incoming JFF General Secretary, Mr. Dennis Chung, is already calling for the public's support of the national football program and the national teams. Now, first of all, I agree with Mr. Chung. For Jamaica to be competitive in football, all hands must be on deck. I want to say this to Mr. Chung, though. The support is not going to come like that. Jamaica has a distinct and indigenous Waganese football culture. How the federation and especially the senior men's team perform will directly determine how much support the program gets. First of all, we need to get some games at the stadium. And when we get those games, we need to win those games. That is the surest way to get support for the football. There is a certain connection that is needed between the fans and the team that cannot be made on the television. So, Mr. Chung, we have to find a way to reopen the office and forge a reciprocal arrangement with the team and the fans. The team help the fans and the fans help the team. In other words, Mr. Chung, one hand have to wash the other. One hand have to wash the other in the football. Is that you know what?